The dial misses on date window. The dial looks very busy. If you're planning to share it with someone in your family, be a little cautious. Hello and welcome back to our channel, Wristworthy. We are back again with another video on our channel. And we have with us the DWC Havelock, an Indian micro brand. Well, not so micro anymore. They have launched some beautiful watches like YU, Heritage, Everest and Devanagari. You can click on the link in the description below to check our reviews on these watches. DWC Havelock is named after the beautiful Havelock Islands in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is how the watch was delivered to me, and I must admit, DWC has always amazed me with their box and packaging. It's a wooden box this time with the DWC Havelock. The watch is nicely placed. DWC branded microfiber cloth, warranty card and the instructions manual. Let me put box aside and let's remove all the plastics. It's a beautiful looking watch. Let's check the dimensions first. The case diameter is 38 mm, case thickness is 13 mm, and lug width is 20 mm. The case is made from stainless steel and has brushed finish on the lugs and has glossy finish on the sides. The aluminum bezel is unidirectional and has nice, satisfying and precise clicks when rotated. And the bezel seems pretty reliable and reassuring. The crown is screw down type and signed with Havelock map, and I believe it's a nice touch. The case back is a screw down type and has a Havelock Island map in the glossy finish with the watch serial number. The watch comes with a curved end silicone strap with a 3-fold clasp and push buttons. And it looks to be of good quality. The clasp is signed with the DWC logo. There are holes in the silicone strap to adjust the length of it. So you will have to cut it as per your wrist size. And if you're planning to share it with someone in your family, be a little cautious. However, there is a good side. The clasp has 3 micro adjustment holes to get the perfect fit. There isn't something to learn here. They have recently released a curved end metal bracelet which is compatible with the watch. The dial and the bezel are equipped with BGW9 Superlumino Volume, and you get a bright blue glow with that. Here are some lume shots for you. Tell me, have you ever seen a lume distribution like this before? Do reach out to us on Instagram and Facebook and share the best lume shots with us. The watch has a sapphire glass, which is excellent considering the price point that it comes at. The dial is Swiss Borlec enamel-coated. Indices are applied on the dial, whereas the Daily Watch Company, Havelock and other text is printed. The watch uses TMI NH35A movement, which is from Seiko. The dial misses on date window. Still, the dial looks very busy because of so many text on the dial. Using the red accent on the second hand adds a nice touch, and it's water resistant for 200 meters. It's time to try this on and let's check if it is wrist worthy or not. I have not adjusted the silicone strap for my wrist size as yet, but I have checked it with some other straps. About one thing I can assure you that the DWC Havelock delivers a comfortable fit, and the credit goes to its 38 mm case size. While the size enhances its versatility for various wrist sizes, I found the dial to appear a bit busy for my personal taste. Again, this might just be my perspective, and you may feel differently about this. But I must admit, the design has a charm that could easily win over the fans. Here's how it looks when compared with Timex Expedition North Green. This is how it goes when compared with DWC YU 3.0. Click on the link in the description below to check our reviews on these watches. Now let's try some NATO straps and some leather straps with the watch. In conclusion, the DWC Havelock is a solid watch that packs a lot into its 38mm frame. It's built off with stainless steel, sapphire crystal, and excellent lume. The dial might feel a little busy for some, myself included, but that's a personal preference and might not bother you at all. What really stands out is a thoughtfulness of DWC behind the design. It's not just a watch, it's a little piece of Indian watchmaking. If you're looking for something unique with a story to tell, the Havelock is worth considering. Thank you for watching the video till the end. And remember, every great collection starts with a watch that's truly wrist-worthy. If this video has helped you to decide on DWC watches, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more watch content. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, keep it classy and stay wrist-worthy.